to another edition of Thunderdome!
Go! Go! Jesus. Accelerate, stupid! Cut the bit. Jerk to the left lane. Can't move his ass, but he has to be in the left lane. Put down the phone. Thank you. Yeah, you're an asshole. It's my new horn, by the way. Hope you like it. It's a decent beat, too. Hey, that was a close asshole. A&G Towing and Repair. Yep. Because howdy ho, howdy ho. Don't do it. Don't fucking do it. Off my ass. Bitch. Uh-huh. Could you be any closer to that Odyssey? Yeah. She goes again. How far that got you? Now let me slow down. Let this truck close the hole. One MLX 35. What a bag of shit you are! Stop sign Corolla. Stop sign Subaru. Stop sign Toyota. There's 6 lady. The stop sign. Stop sign there. Thank you. Up here. Stop sign Toyota turd.
Over in Boston, you got slowdowns building behind that. Out to the west, 395 southbound.
And it's a red light, Mr. Subaru.
After Route 20.
I saw that car there. Why couldn't you? Yeah! Untrue. Petty, petty, petty. Stop, stop. He didn't stop, but won't get picked up, of course. Oh, he didn't stop at all. Living under the fear. Nothing else. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Exit dive. Rain. Oh, love you, love you, love you. Falling like rain. Oh, I will always think about you. I do love you, love you, love you. Falling like rain. Yeah! Jesus Christ. Pickle ain't stupid. There he goes. How the hell did he get there? Screw you, you what? You. Jesus Christ, that's one way, you asshole. Off and go. It's straight from the turn lane. What? Give me a look, asshole. You know, have your sirens on so I can hear you too. Was I wrong there? No. Dude, get the fuck out of the way, man. Thanks! Yep. Because Subaru, good people everywhere! I think she just ran the red. I think he did. Jesus. One idiot, two idiots, three idiots. And Alexis struck to the left lane. Protection scares me to feel this way. Oh, what's love got to do? Can you stop wobbling? Down the fucking phone. Should have beeped at him. Don't talk about tomorrow. Not like a stop sign, huh? What are you doing? Give it to me. There's a red light run, I believe. What the hell are you doing? Thanks. Thanks, you're a douche. Lift. What a shock. Nice cut off. Thanks, lady. It's time to stop your crying. The future's this moment. I think he ran the stop. Red, whatever. Red stop. Yeah. No turn on. Yeah. Roll the right on red. Don't pull out in front of me, ass face. Gee, stop. Oh, you bastard! And a red light runner. Ah! Everybody jump, everybody jump, everybody jump. Everybody jump, everybody jump, everybody jump, everybody jump. Yeah. We haven't had jumping in a while here, have we?
And her loyalty to other than himself. Even there's been another soldier death at Fort Hood in Texas. The soldier from New Mexico died after collapsing last week.
No. No, you're an asshole. No. God. No. And there comes another one. It's too fucking important to wait, aren't you? No. Oh, God. It's fucking people. Jesus Christ, where you fucking people go? Go! Jesus Christ, where you fucking go? Thanks. And run the stop. From the red. Fuck you all. And get jumped and went from the wrong lane. Asshole. Thank you. That's an exit dive. Exit dive. 111. Okay. 111 and then 112 and 112. Yeah. Oh, where'd he come from? Hold on. He's dive direct to the left lane, probably because it's Toyota. 111. Okay. 111 and then 112 and 112. Yeah. Oh, where'd he come from? Hold on. He's dive direct to the left lane, probably because it's Toyota.
Huh? I don't think so.
Immune boosting massage. That sounds like a crock of shit, doesn't it? A lot of trouble, oh, a lot of trouble for you. Well, hey, look at that. Toyota, Florida. exit dive. Stop sign. Stop a sign. Oh, no left turn, no U-turn. No left turn, no U-turn.